Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to choose which Midjourney subscription plan to avail. So, let's get started. Many of you who have enjoyed Midjourney's free version might have noticed that after a few days, the AI system kindly nudges you towards purchasing a subscription or waiting until tomorrow. However, tomorrow often brings no change. So, you are left with two options: discontinue using the AI system or opt for a paid subscription. To acquire a subscription, choose a plan and make your payment. You will need to be registered with Midjourney and log into Discord. Then, head over to the newbies chat, type subscribe and hit enter. You will receive a link that, when clicked, will allow you to choose and pay for your preferred subscription. Midjourney presents three subscription options: $10 per month, $30 per month, and $60. If you opt for an annual subscription, the cost is slightly reduced. The key differentiator among these plans is the allocation of fast hours. Now, what are these fast hours, you might wonder? Fast hours represent an image generation mode where the time spent creating one image doesn't exceed 1 to 2 minutes. For instance, the $30 per month plan offers you 15 fast hours. Let us say you have purchased this plan and you generated an image that took 1 minute. You then have 14 fast hours and 59 minutes left. So, you can continue generating images until deplete this resource. Once your fast hours are used up, you'll be automatically switched to relax mode, where image generation might take up to 10 minutes. If you find yourself foreseeing the need for more than just 15 fast image generations, it might be worth considering the $60 subscription plan. This subscription opens the door to an array of benefits that can significantly enhance your experience, providing you with the flexibility and resources to bring your creative endeavors to life without any limitations. So, take a moment to ponder whether this subscription aligns with your creative ambitions and the kind of artistic journey you wish to embark on. It might just be the perfect choice for unlocking the full potential of your creative imagination. Furthermore, when exploring the advantages of the $60 subscription, there's an intriguing feature that adds an extra layer of privacy and control to your creative process: stealth image generation. With this exclusive feature, available to subscribers of the Pro plan, you gain the power to keep your generated images entirely concealed from the prying eyes of others on the Midjourney website. Imagine having the freedom to explore your artistic vision without any external interference or distractions. Stealth mode provides you with a sanctuary, allowing you to work on your projects with absolute confidentiality. Whether you are creating art for personal enjoyment, professional endeavors, or any other purpose, these features ensures that your creative journey remains a private and uninterrupted one. If you have made your decision and selected a plan that aligns with your creative needs, the next step is straightforward. Simply navigate to the subscribe button and give it a click. This action will seamlessly transition you to a page where you can provide the necessary information to complete your subscription process. Here's what to expect. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information and billing details, ensuring a secure and convenient subscription experience. Once you have filled in the required fields, take a moment to review your information for accuracy. And when you are satisfied, go ahead and click that subscribe button once again. At this point, you will have successfully subscribed to Midjourney, unlocking a world of creative possibilities and resources tailored to your chosen plan. By the way, my friends, if you are actively using Midjourney or other AI-powered software to create stunning designs, you can monetize your passion if you know how to utilize it. I will be making a video about it, so I recommend you to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in our next video.